In this video, we will discuss about Oracle Listener, Oracle Database, its symptoms. The listener is hang or is extremely slow to respond. For example, users are trying to connect and they are hanging, like they are taking long time. Or if we are checking listener, it is also not responding with the listener command. TNS ping to the listener also taking very long time to respond, or listener utility like LSN or CTL utility commands are either hanging or slow to respond. Windows 32-bit, like if Windows is 32-bit, so you will may found below error TNS 12571, TNS packet writer failure, or TNS 12560 protocol adapter error, TNS 00530 protocol adapter error. Also specifically on 32-bit window, 54 unknown error also can come. Listener utility error, like if you run listener command LSN or CTL, so then it will not immediately connecting, it will show you that it is connecting to then detail of the listener and error TNS 12547. It will be similar like 32-bit. It will not be anything different. TNS 12560, TNS 00517, lost contact, even 54 unknown error. Listener log error. In log file, what it will show? The listener log might also contain repeating error stacks like TNS 12518, which is TNS listener could not hand off client connection. So actually this error can be because of many things. If you had your network connection is not okay, even then this can come. So you have to check from main database, same machine or same VM, then you can run listener command and then check log file. TNS 12571, 12560, TNS 00530 protocol adapter error. What is the cause of this error? What is the reason behind this? The listener log has reached the file size limit on Windows of 4 GB. Mostly this error came on Windows, because in Windows if log file exceeds 4 GB, which is very huge for Windows, because normally if you try to open any text file which is 1 GB or less than 1 GB, sometimes like 800 MB, or even it will take time to open, and sometimes notepad will crash, it will not open. So that's the main reason, that 4 GB size, it will hang and it will not allow listener to write properly. It will show some errors like before we showed you. This issue is also described in published bug 9879101. What is the solution of this error? You can solve this problem by deleting the large listener log file in mostly Oracle based DIAG TNS LSNR slash hostname slash listener slash trace slash listener name dot log file. You have to follow the steps to delete the log. Number one, stop the listener process using the command line or control panel service. How you will stop the log? You can connect to listener LSNR CTL, and then you can stop writing to the log. Okay, set, so by using set command you can off the flag to write log file. Set log, you can see the by show you can see all the commands which you can use to stop the log, stop writing to the log file. Or if you can just stop the listener, like lsnr ctl, and then you will connect. Then you can write stop listener, and listener will stop, and then you can delete the log file. To delete the log file, you have to reach that folder, and you can just delete the log file, or if you want to keep it, you can move this file to any other folder. Okay, and then on the same place you can make one listener.log text file, which should be empty. Or if you will not create text log file, it will be created automatically when you start the listener again, or you issue any lsnrctl command, and you will see a new listener.log in its place under same path. Some people take long time because they were trying so many things, maybe network issue, maybe LAN card problem. So this solution, actually this problem take long time to solve. But anytime listener problem came, like delaying, taking long time, hanging, not allowing to connect, you have to first step check the log file. If log file size is more than 4 or near to 4, just remove it. Just move it other folder or remove that file, and your listener will be fine immediately. Hope you understand the problem and you can solve this by yourself now. Thank you very much for listening this, and keep watching for new videos, or you can ask for any problem you are facing, and I will try to find a solution for you and try to guide you how to solve that. Thank you.